This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Scotland County Sheriff's Office is searching for Allison Nicole Oxendine. Allison Nicole Oxendine is a 3-year-old Indian female, approximately 3 feet tall, weighing 32 pounds. She has brown hair and brown eyes. Allison Nicole Oxendine was last seen wearing pink sweatpants, a maroon shirt, and Croc-style slip-on shoes. She is in possession of 2 white dogs. There is no abductor information. She was last seen in the area of 10041 Hunt Road in Laurel Hill, North Carolina. If you have any information regarding the abduction, call Scotland County Sheriff's Office immediately at 910-276-3385 or call 911 or *47 *HP. Again, this is North Carolina Amber Alert for child abduction.